Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and I'm going to show you how to make an outro. And for the outro, it's the exact same for the intro. So yeah, but all you want to do, go to Panzoid, links in the description, and just search up outro, and just find one. I already found one, so yeah, I already made one, as you can see. Sorry. Now, click the eye to see it in the first person. And sorry if there's no music. Yeah. I like that one. So, if we go to here, switch it to 1280p and 720p. Then click this cube thing. And now change the text to your you can change that. And now hopefully say that now say next video. I'm actually gonna change that to random. Well, yeah, you should get the thing, and you can switch here. If you click here, you can add your own music. Sorry, I'm kind of in a rush. Yeah. Now if you go to his arrow with the underline in it, click that. Make sure it's on MKV and it's on balance, and start video. When you've done that, I'll click download your video, and you'll be right here. And sorry, sorry you can't hear, but when I click, there's no music at all. So now you want to go to convert video files. Link will be in the description. Here, let's go to online video converter. And it'll be the first one. Then go to the middle one right here, convert a video or audio file. Then select or drop a file. Then you just want to search one up. Search the one up. Go to downloads. Picture. No, why don't we pictures? I'll be oh, bro. A W drive? No. That'll be, should be like that. Desktop? No. I have no clue, so I'm just gonna re-download it. And video number 2. Sorry, now it's taking forever. This is it, I believe, right here. Now, crap. Yeah. I'll switch to MP4. Start download. Then you press download. Sorry. Then, boom. Should be right here. I go into here. And boom, there's music now. Like I said, sorry if you can't hear, but there is. Oh my god, why is my mouse so laggy? When you do that, now just search video 2, search downloads, video space any. Now if you right click and press rename, just delete everything except for MP4. Now name out row. And then boom. Save it. Now bring it here. I'll show you my intro. There's my intro and my outro. In there. And yeah, there are these things. Let me make a folder. New folder. This will be YouTube. YouTube intro and outro. Just drag, put them in here. Now if I click on here, these two will be here. If you liked this video, subscribe. I'm probably going to pick a different outro. So yeah. Again, if you liked, subscribe, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And yeah, if this helped you at all, you're welcome. And have a good day. Bye!